We're here today to talk about the elderberry and how to identify an elderberry. We've noticed that this year there's a lot of elderberries in bloom. This is the flower of the elderberry. I do want to point out that every part of the elderberry is poisonous except for the flowers and the ripe fruit. The leaves, the stems, and everything are poisonous. Elderberries can be used to make wine, can be used to make jelly and jam. The berries are very nutritious. They're high in antioxidants, and they have properties that can help alleviate flu symptoms. As you can see, the leaves is very easy to identify for the elderberry. These are poisonous. These are the blooms or the flowers of the elderberry. They can be used to make fritters. They are not poisonous. These are the unripe elderberries. As I said earlier, they have to be ripe, otherwise they are poisonous. Elderberries grow very well in wet climates or partially wet climates. As you can see, we are very close to a bridge, kind of in a low spot. Elderberries are very common in the Florida Panhandle and South Alabama. Elderberry, as you can see, it has a gray bark. You can break the branches of the elderberry in two and make blowguns out of it. The center of it can be hollowed out very easily. Kids, I want to point out, never eat any berries unless we tell you to eat them, because they could be poisonous and they can hurt you and maybe even kill you. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.